Thanks again for stopping by and checking out our content here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive industrial remanufacturing center. We work on all brands of gearboxes and pumps. In today's video, we will be checking out a repair we did on a gearbox. If you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer find inner components for, we can reverse engineer and manufacture all missing inner components, such as all gears and shafts. We manufacture all gearing such as helical, herringbone, split herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, bull gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. We also offer 24-hour emergency rush repair to make sure you get your gearboxes back into production as soon as possible. All mechanics at National Gear Repair are Timken bearing certified and Falk School certified. All bearings are installed utilizing thermal expansion and physics to shrink the shafts with liquid nitrogen, allowing for an easy installation of a superheated bearing that locks into place. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and remember to share this video. National Gear Repair has your back. We're now beginning our shaft, shrinking our shaft with liquid nitrogen. We'll begin the reassembly of our Rossi Gearbox here. It's an Italian extruder box, one of our top clients out in the Georgia area. Take a look at that shaft if we can. Maybe not. Hey guys, can we take a quick peek at that shaft?
Guys, come that box real quick.
We got the liquid nitrogen over the shaft. Start shrinking them. Should be good enough in a few minutes.
Thank you. Please continue to watch. And thank you once again for taking your time out to watch our videos here at National Gear Repair. As you clearly see, this here was a Rossi Gearbox for one of our clients that does plastic extrusion out in the southeast of the country, out in the Atlanta, Georgia area. And we did, the customer actually opted not to replace gearing in this for economic reasons. So what we had done was we lapped the gearing. And by doing this, just quietened everything down, and this led us to achieve our goal and our backlash that we aimed for. We replaced all bearings and seals, including the thrust bearing, reset that bearing flow to OEM standards, and we are now doing a preliminary test. So far, all has checked out well. Please do not forget that all work here at National Gear Repair is guaranteed for 24 months from the date of startup. Sounds fantastic. We will continue to run for the next 2 hours. Make sure there's no vibration, any overheating, any leaking, or any abnormalities. And National Gear offers free freight nationwide and free quotes. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.